Hello guys, Crypto Boo here, and that's another video of the Mega Profits channel. Let's go straight to the point and open the Bitcoin chart. As you can see, we are dangerously enclosing a really important level, and it does not seem as strong as I'd wish it seems. Yes, as you can see, we had this beautiful head and shoulders formation here, and it's currently playing out. And I don't want to be way too bearish here, but if we break this beautiful level here, this vast red incredible support, and we go down, we'll most probably go a lot deeper than most of us expect. As you know, the whole financial system is melting, and all the majors in the stocks are having red days like never before. Crude oil is down more than 21% in a day, but like 5 days ago it was trading around $54 or something like this. Now it's trading at historically low levels and it's 32 or something like this. That's bad. We cannot expect that Bitcoin will perform as good as we'd wish to in these circumstances. As you can see, a lot of the altcoins are really facing the same fate of doom. So Bitcoin is falling and altcoins are falling and stocks are falling. As you can see, most of the things are falling. But let's come back and get straight to the point. We are at one extremely important level. This trend line, this symmetrical triangle that's been in play for extremely long time now, is the last support before Bitcoin goes for another level of support, which will be around another strong level of support, which will be around 6,500. Actually, I don't think that we go there, at least not this fast. It really depends on the stocks and on the markets as a whole. But right now, things do not look too good, and we might expect a little bit more downside. But personally, I think that we should have a bounce here that might be looking like this. If the markets show strength, we can go up. But if we again do not move way too strong and there are no buyers to step in, we'll most probably go down and break this level and probably go further down. As you can see, of a kind of we're enclosing a bad cross of the moving averages. It's still not paved in stone, but Bitcoin as it is now is not looking too strong, and the markets as a whole are not looking too strong. But we are due for a bounce, and a bounce should happen, and then we'll see what we do. In my opinion, it's too late for shorting the market with a big position, and it's a little bit too early to put a big long. Wait a little bit more, see what the markets bring us, see how stocks behave, and see how the other markets behave, and then we might increase position, take positions, or take money out. Right now, if you're in a big loss, try not to act too emotional, because these big crashes and these big candles, red candles, are designed to put you in panic mode and sell everything in loss, or do nasty decisions that might not be the best for you right now. And as you know, in a lot of channels, in the best news channels right now, there's been this propaganda that you should hold everything to the ground and that better times will come. Do not fall for this shit. Think with your head. I heard the same things for crypto 2.5 years ago, and it's been shit ever since. Be sure to have cash, because in such situation and in such situations and in such times, cash is king. Be sure to have a plan B, a plan C or D or whatever, because the situation with the coronavirus might worsen, markets might worsen a little bit more. So be prepared for everything. Whenever the markets gives you opportunity and you make profits, be sure to secure some of these profits, if not all of them, until we see better times. Stay tuned and happy trading, holding or selling. Be safe out there.